that each page can be differentiated from one another. So there are various even softwares which can help us share the notes to other places, so the child or the learner will be able to access it whenever they want. So these are actually really helpful for children with special needs. So once the Anoto dot sheet paper and the LifeScribe Smart Pen is used together, it can provide various use for the learners, like they will be able to learn complex situations in an easier way. For example, it is specifically helpful for dyslexic and visually impaired children. So for visually impaired children, they will be able to locate the images. For example, since the pen also gives tactile experiences, once they touch on something, they will be able to hear the audio playback that was happening. And for example, if it is a map, so when it pops up on the screen, when they click on the place, the audio will be playing behind them. Like if it's an India map, they click on a place called Delhi, so they will be hearing the audio as Delhi. So they will be able to mark the places very precisely. Maps and so usually graphs and map skills are not easy to be taught to visually impaired and dyslexic children, but with this tool we can take it to the next level, really. And the Smart Pen along with the LifeScribe paper can make wonders, really. So since it can record the audio, and for dyslexic children, as we know, repetition is a very helpful process by which we can train them and facilitate their learning process. So this will really help us in that way. The pen also gives tactile experiences to learners. So this is how it helps the student who are reading Braille script. Like the pen, once the student touches the pen tip, they will be able to hear the audio of whatever is happening in the screen. So the screen actually opens from the tip of the pen. So the pen also gives tactile experiences in which the user can touch the graphics on the pen tip. So the student can touch the LED screen, so whatever is there on the screen, and he or she will be able to access the complex figures like maps, graphs, images and all. So since blind students cannot actually see it, they can have an experience of it, tactile experience of it. So this tool is really helpful for children with special needs. So this is a boon for children with special needs. So they can draw and save, and this tool helps the learner take notes in the class regularly and with minimal effort. So it's really hard for children to actually maintain the attention span for a long time. But with this tool, they can take minimal notes. Since it also records audio, they can do it without effort, and also they can revise it whenever they want. There should be ethics that are to be followed while using the pen, because this pen can be easily manipulated into usage of others, like unethically recording a meeting which are not supposed to be recorded. So this has happened with the LifeScribe pen. So while using the tool, the teacher or the mentor, whoever is taking care of the child, has to take care that it is used in an effective and ethical way. So these are the things that I wanted to highlight in the video, and these are the references that helped me create this presentation. So I hope this tool can really make a difference in the lives of children with special needs. Thank you.